What's up, YouTube? How to make quick money online. So this is going to be an easy method, and I'm going to show you how to make some automated money. Now, some of you probably wonder, how is this possible? Can you really make quick money? Can I do some things here online and get some great results? Now, what I'm about to share with you, you'll see a lot of videos online, but not everybody go into details and show you exactly what to do. I'm very serious about that. So if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to show you the methods that most of these guys that you see preaching on YouTube, and nobody's sharing the secret. No one is sharing the secret. So I finally going to reveal it, because most of them will probably hate me for this, but I don't care, because I want you to win. So if you're my subscribers, or if you're brand new, consider yourself a subscriber. Make sure you hit that bell notification, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this a thumbs up as well, because what I'm about to share with you in this video, not many people know about it, and not many YouTubers are sharing this. This is not about you creating YouTube. This is how to make money online fast, and how to make quick money. Quick money, same day you can make money, where you can start to see some money generating. So make sure, watch this video all the way to the end. So as you can see, I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So don't be shy. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, whether you are a subscriber before or you're brand new. I don't care. Let me know in the comments. Show some love, because the more you give this channel some love, the more I can make videos for you. And most of you know already that I drop nothing but the best. I know I'm going off on a little rant, but I'm telling you, not everybody share this method with you, because some of them are afraid to do this. Now, what we're going to be doing, right? We're going to head on over to ClickBank. Now, I know some of you cannot get approved, but I'm going to show you a trick how to do that, because some of you watching this video are not getting approved, or probably not authorizing you in your country. So I'm going to show you a hack at the end to bypass all of it, because I have friends who's overseas that in their country it doesn't allow, but they do this one trick. So make sure you stick with me here. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to head on over to ClickBank, and the product that we're going to be promoting is going to be a product that is working on this particular platform, and the method that I'm going to share with you. So you can sign up, you can click on create an account. If you don't have an account already, make sure you come in, you sign in, and all that stuff. Now, we're going to head on over to right here into the marketplace of ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is not the only place. I'm going to share with you some other particular place that you can go where you can get great products. If for some reason the method that I'm going to share with you, or the hack at the end, you don't get approved, I'm going to show you how you can get other products as well. So what we're going to be doing for this one, we're going to do e-business, e-marketing. So e-business, e-marketing meaning it's education. They're going to teach you how to do things, right? So there are so many different products on here, of course, you know, many different products. If you want to join me in my #1 product, check out the first link in the description, and I could share with you, and we can work together. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to hop on here. Now, what we're going to be doing for this one, we're going to be promoting a particular product. And this product is brand new. It just came out, and it's called the 12-minute affiliate system. It's doing really well. If you check out the gravity score right here, they sold over 84 of them this week so far. So if you look up here as well, this one sold over 66. This is one that's called super affiliate. But right here, you can always check to see the gravity score of how many is selling. So the higher the gravity score, the better chance you have of doing these things. Like right here, this over 103 people sign up for this. These are like survey jobs, right? There are surveys, people go on here and they do surveys. Once they sign up for it, you're gonna get 71 bucks. Real simple. Now, here's what nobody shares with you. You've probably seen a lot of ClickBank tutorial or a lot of affiliate marketing tutorial, but they don't share with you this. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to grab the link. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to let me just grab this link. So I'm going to click on here. You grab the link. You always want to pick on whichever, right? You can do email only. You can go native ads. You can go native ads. You can go native ads. And this is like direct sales page. So you can go directly to the sales page. But for this one, you want to make sure that you collect the email. So you want to click on this one. So you want to track it, right? We're going to put, what we're going to be doing is a thing called solo ads. We're going to click on solo ads. We're going to create that link, and then we're going to copy this link. When you copy this link, you want to head on over to bit.ly.com. Go over to bit.ly.com. You can shorten the link, put the link here, create the link, and then once you create the link, you can just copy it. Copy this entire link. You can just copy it up here. Not a problem. All right. So we're going to copy it, and we're going to head on over to udemy.com. So this particular website is called udemy.com. If you don't know how to get there, I'm going to leave a special link down below that you could sign up, and it's free to sign up, right? You could sign up for free. However, when you come on here, you have to pay these guys. And this is how you're going to make money on automation, because here's the thing. These guys are going to go out and they're going to promote your link. Let me say that again. You're going to give them your link. They're going to promote it for you. And they're going to send you customers, people that are looking for opportunities and people that are looking to make money online. This is what these guys do. They do affiliate marketing. They do biz up. They do network marketing. Some of them do CPA offers. So there's so many different offers. Now, when you come on here, you're going to see a bunch of people. There's going to be a lot of people. Lots of people on here, but some of you probably wonder, all right, where do I go, right? So you can click on like any niche, or you can like dissect it. So what you want to do, you always want to look at the thumbs up. Look at how many thumbs up the person get. So the more thumbs up, the better quality of traffic you'll be receiving. So this guy right here, he has over 265 thumbs up and like 6 bad rating. This person has 174. This guy has 1,048. This guy has 1,022. This person right here, 192. This person, 1,669. So you see where we're going, right? This guy has over 27,000 and 2,700 all thumbs up. So if you want to buy from him, right, you're going to click on here, look at the price. He's selling for 59 cents per click, meaning that every time someone clicks your affiliate link, it's going to be 59 cents. Now do the math here. If you are going to sell a particular product or an offer, you always want to make sure that you look at the price, because sometimes the thing will be over here, and if you look down here, that's the price right there, $269. You always want to start off with at least 200 clicks. 200 clicks, 150, 200, 250 is a good sweet spot. That will get you some traction. Now, the first thing you're going to do, right, is you set it. So 59 times 200, you're looking at $118, right? So you're spending $118 for 200 clicks. So it says 127, but there's like a 3% charge fee. Now, if you click on base filter is just base. You want to make sure you click on prime. So when you click on prime, of course, it's going to go up a little bit, because prime is always good traffic. If you only need top tier, you can click on top tier, it's going to go up. Top tier meaning countries such as United States, you have Canada, you have UK, you have Australia. Those are what considers as top tier countries. So if you do pay for those countries, of course, it's going to get more expensive, right? But right here, base and prime, is always good. You can go with Prime or you can go with, top tier. Top tier base is all good. You could pick these two, or you could pick all three. Not a problem. You don't have to worry if it's only mobile and all that type of stuff. Now you're gonna put your affiliate link right in here. Right? So this is where everything becomes automated. It's automated and you don't have to do anything. You pay them, they go do the work. So what I'm trying to drill into your head right now is, instead of you spending time, especially if you're brand new, trying to cold message people, trying to message people here and there and there, if you got some money to spare inside of your business, you can put it right there. So if you want to run 200 traffic every month, right, you could do that. But here's the good thing. The product that you're going to promote is it's going to be, so let's say if you promote this one, right? If you promote this one, if you make a sale, that's $447. All right, let me say that again, $447. So that means, right, if you spend 147 to make even at least one sale, you're going to break even. Let me say that again. At least one sale, you break even. So out of the 200 visitors, you probably get a sale, right? You probably get a sale or you probably don't get a sale. It's just business, right? But always go with positive energy. Sometimes you'll have like 2 or 3 sales that will put you in the green, right? So it is profitable. So you could do that. Check out, there's multiple offers. And when you're done, you just click on here where it says add to cart. And then once you add to cart, all you got to do is pay. You can click on here and it will pay it. You can use card, you can use PayPal, whichever one is good for you, right? And then you could just click cancel, because I'm just canceling it. So that's how you do it. That's on, how to make quick money online fast, like automation. That's how you do it. Now, I told you I'm going to give you some special hacks and tricks and things that I hope you're with me so far. So what I normally use for, especially with these guys, because sometimes I'm so busy, I don't have time to do all these things. Right? So that's why I told you before, a lot of people are going to hate me for this, but I don't care. All right. You want to come over here to muncheye.com. So when you go to Muncheye, they give you products that are coming out soon, right? In advance. So once the products are coming out, on the day of the product, if you have some money, you could just go on, you could see JVZoo, you could see ClickBank. Go and get approved for these things. And when you're done, you could come and you could do the same thing. Because once it's a launch date, you have all these people going to be sending things out to their list and all that type of stuff. So you want to be one of the first ones to make sure that you get ahead of the game. So buy yourself some traffic and launch it. I know people who are doing this consistently over and over again, like clockwork. It's just keep going over and over again. So for the people overseas, you want to go to this website that is called ExpressVPN. I haven't talked about this for a very, very long time. Make sure you sign up for it. You could sign up for it, and then once you sign up for it, then you can then apply to either ClickBank, one of those places, so you can get approved. Now with the banking system, most people use Payoneer. So Payoneer, you can get an address here in the US, and once you get it, you can then, if you know somebody here, they could just send that information to you. But you can set it up in a way where you could send it somewhere and then you can collect it. So that way your money will come directly to you through your VPN, right? So you can set it up in a way where you can get paid on your card, and then you can use your card in your country. I won't go into too much details for that, so you have to go do your research on that. But I know someone who's doing that right now. So do your research. But as I said before, right, for Udemy, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you to sign up. So sign up, start right away. Start going out there, start making money, and you can start to do this. So start doing some promotion. So if you do like this video, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're brand new, seasoned professional, I want to hear if this video was jam-packed with value. You know, I always deliver the best. And I want to make sure that you guys can take this method, just go out there and you can crush it, where you can also be a stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home dad or quit your job or whatever. That's my goal, is to touch someone's life through my videos. That's why I create videos all the time, just to help you. It's not just for me. I'm trying to share my knowledge with you. So I hope you don't take my knowledge for granted. Just go out there and crush it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.